very proud of you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मैं शारिफ फर्स्ट ईयर MBBS स्टूडेंट एट IKBFU रशिया। आज हमारी फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर की लास्ट क्लास थी और साथ ही फाइनल वाइवा भी था। सबसे पहले मैम ने हम सबको क्यूट से गिफ्ट दिए जो देखकर सब लोग बहुत खुश हुए। उसके बाद हमारा फाइनल वाइवा स्टार्ट हुआ। स्पेशल है क्योंकि यहीं से मेरा फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर ऑफिशियली कंप्लीट हो गया है। चलिए अब मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ अपना फाइनल वाइवा एक्सपीरियंस।
These are my co-partners Noman, Nandin, Ashfaq and Mithun. So our topic is upper leg. So my topic is shoulder muscles. Let's talk about the shoulder muscles. First is deltoid muscles. If we talk about the deltoid muscles origin, there are three heads: anterior head, lateral head, posterior head. Anterior head is attached by the second third part of the clavicle. Lateral head is attached by the spine of scapula, and posterior head is attached by the acromion of scapula. And let's talk about the insertion. The insertion of the deltoid muscle is in deltoid tuberosity of humerus. If we talk about the nerve supply, the nerve supply is axillary nerve. Let's talk about blood supply by axillary artery. Let's talk about the actions of deltoid muscles. Deltoid muscles actions are flexion, extension, adduction, and lateral rotation, medial rotation. And let's continue the rotator cuff muscles. There are mainly four rotator cuff muscles: infraspinatus, supraspinatus, teres minor, and subscapularis. Let's talk about the supraspinatus muscle. The origin of supraspinatus muscle is suprascapular fossa, and the insertion of supraspinatus muscle is superior facet of greater tuberosity of humerus. Let's talk about the nerve supply. Nerve supply is suprascapular nerve. Blood supply, we can say that subclavian artery or suprascapular artery. And let's talk about the action. The action is abduction and stabilization of the glenoid cavity. And let's talk about the infraspinatus muscle. The origin of infraspinatus muscle is infraspinatus fossa, the second third part of the infraspinatus fossa. The insertion of infraspinatus muscle is medial facet of the greater tubercle. And nerve supply is suprascapular nerve supply. As we see on the supraspinatus nerve, blood supply and nerve supply are same. And the action, lateral rotation of arm and stabilization of the glenohumeral cavity. Let's talk about the subscapularis muscle. The origin of subscapularis muscle is subscapular fossa. Insertion is lesser tubercle of humerus. There are further muscles talk about above. These are greater tubercle and this is lesser tubercle, and teres major is also the insertion of lesser tubercle. The nerve supply is subscapular nerve and the blood supply is subscapular artery. Let's talk about the action. Action, it supports the upper arm duration. Let's talk about teres minor. The origin of teres minor is lateral border of the scapula of dorsal surface, second third of flat strip. The insertion, we can talk about insertion, inferior facet of greater tubercle. And let's talk about nerve supply, axillary nerve, blood supply, same axillary artery. Action, you can see the lateral rotation and stabilization of glenohumeral joint. Let's talk about teres major.
Thank you, dear. It's enough. You've got a really short answer. I respect that, and I like that you made separated pictures with each muscles, and it's really short information, and it's enough. And I like your style of presentation, and it's a really great job.